Welcome back, everybody. I'm still in the middle of the Griddle More tour. In fact, I'm here at Denver International Airport getting ready to fly out to Knoxville, Tennessee. But the social media department back in Logan, Utah, they're putting together a bunch of mashups of my classic videos. So this is an oldie. This is a chicken smash burger. This is ground chicken, quarter pound ground chicken meatballs. There we go. I've never done this ever with chicken. This could be an epic failure, but I think it's going to be an epic success. That's probably the most I've ever said the word epic in a video. There we go. Next, to use the press and sear burger tools, I recommend Blackstone's parchment paper, and not just because I work at Blackstone, because it works very, very well. I've tried regular parchment paper and I wasn't impressed. So here we go. Put that down on top of the patty and press. Booyah. Here we go again. Chicken smash burgers. Will they work or will they not work? Here goes nothing, down with the Suckle Busters. This has sugar, salt, and chipotle pepper. Chipotle by itself, not a big fan. But when it's mixed together with a little bit of sugar, oh baby. Let's see what we're dealing with here. Booyah, right there. I like the way those look. So far, I'm thinking the chicken smash burger's a good idea. And I do like it bold, so I'm going to put a little bit on the second side. Sharp cheddar cheese. I like my cheddar the same way I like my knives, extra sharp. So if you want to expedite melting that cheese, we have a hood here on the range top. I got some water, a little bit of water or an ice cube, and close that lid. There we go. Look at that. No camera trickery at all. That is a delicious looking cheese skirt right there. Go ahead and move these around so I have time to put, or a place rather, to put my buns on there. So you could butter your buns, and a lot of times I butter my buns, but you don't have to. Of course, we have natural oils here on the griddle top, so we're just going to take advantage of that tonight. All right, let's pull those buns. They are toasted just the way I want. You see that right there? So got a nice crunch. Let's pull those off. Let's get going. These chicken smash burger patties, Suckle Busters chicken rub, and sharp cheddar cheese. Let's grab a bun over here. Woocha! Mayo on the heel. Let's see, a bed of ice cold shredded lettuce on the bottom. Yeah, look at that. Chicken. Knocked my lettuce off. Let me rebuild my sandwich so it looks good. Well, better, I guess. Let's see what else. I want to go with, you know, I'm always sauteing my onions, right? We always have to saute them. We always have to have everything sauteed. But no. We're going to go with ice cold. Red onion on top, and of course some Texas sauce. I don't know if you can see that or not. Pulled that out of the fridge. We have a Rudy's here in town, so why not just a little Rudy's sauce, since we're going with a Texas type of theme here. So it's Rudy's sissy sauce. Take a look at that. Let's give it a try. All right, friends, I don't need to wax philosophical. That is all that and a bag of chips. So, heck, I think I might try to do some more of that in the future. Maybe throw in a pork smash burger, a chicken smash burger, just see where it leads me, but I'm liking that a lot. What did I call that? The Texas barbecue chicken smash burger, something like that. Whatever I said earlier in the video. So thanks for watching, everybody. This is really delicious. I need to go in, feed the family, the Rockies, baby. There's nothing like it. Stay safe. And until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the Texas barbecue chicken smash burger, the chicken smash burger, the smash burger. Oh yeah, and you can buy the smash burger kit at Walmart, walmart.com. Check us out. blackstoneproducts.com.